Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Kawasaki ZX-6R. This bike is in excellent condition, all stock, no modifications, only 4,326 miles. Already has a new set of tires on it because one of them got a nail. This bike is in excellent condition, only $69.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available, extended service contract, we have insurance. Come by, check out this beautiful black metallic ZX-6R. Let me fire it up for you so you can see what she sounds like. Come by, check us out. 2009 Kawasaki ZX-6R, just $69.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.